split off.
Oh, I'm using the wrong trident.
Yo.
Oh, no damage. Boom! Yes! Just in case.
Okay.
Okay, the next time I'm not gonna hit you.
Yeah. I call a bluff. I call a bluff. I call a bluff. Okay?
Really?
That's a lie.
You hit me! Okay,
Just,
okay. The voice
just in
up.
case. You know, no hard feelings, but that was a precaution. See ya. Haha, you missed. Okay. That was embarrassing.
Oh, you're gonna hit me?
Depends on whether you hit me.
I'm gonna hit you with this Poseidon.
What?
I mean the Poseidon thing, I'm gonna hit you with it. It's too powerful. But with the roasting, I'm not technically gonna hit you. Unless you get in my way. There we go.
I'm just waiting for you to try a spark a war so that I can murder you.
Try to what?
Spark a war.
Spark a wall? Okay, interesting. Oh!
Haha, you got betrayed. Okay,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, who's on now?
not you. And not me either.
Oh shit.
Okay, I will get onto that first, okay? Easy, I told you. Right after I said it, I made it.
I made it as well.
Okay, that's it. This is why you're gonna die.
For what?
Hadouken! Move out of the way. Hey, move out of the way.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a drown.
Ooh, that is humiliating.
What?
Oh,
Okay.
interesting.
Okay, that is humiliating.
Okay, you're getting cut off again.
Alright.
That is humiliating. Twice in a row I made it without taking any damage at all.
That's damage right there. That is damage.
No, I said that was after I made it, so it doesn't count. Aha.
You
Get it.
man. Get it. Oh, what? I'm
You can't hit me.
making it.
See, I'm not even worried.
Splash area damage. Oh, boom! Whoa! Oh, I still hit you.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make on the ship first because I'm still alive. See, no damage at all. That is embarrassing.
Oh, wow!
Yeah, shit.
This has splash area damage or something. It's too powerful. Oh my god, I was
No damage. I've mastered it. You have not.
Yeah, because I'm using the wrong damn trident.
Master if your Riptide 10 trident then out. Okay, or you can try it past me. I'll do it. I'll easily master it. Watch.
Alright. Go ahead and use that trident then.
First I gotta get. Nope. This is too far. 1 sec. I need to move
Ah.
a bit closer. Back off, zombie.
It's technically a very powerful trident.
Oh, yeah. They're after you. Good. Okay.
They're gonna bounce right off.
What? I lagged back. That was a lag back.
Oh, I technically did bounce off.
Yours actually flies really far.
Oh. I got him killed.
Ah, I get it. Because you're too close.
Yes.
Made it. Easy.
With damage. Oh, come on.
Well, better than what you've done.
Oh, did I overshot it?
You barely overshot it. Dude, someone's trying to shoot you.
I know. I'm trying to get on the sail fast. I'm dead.
There's 2 trident throwers. The saying. Where's the other trident thrower? There you are.
Oh, that's embarrassing. Now it's my turn, is it? Oh, I was baited.
Okay, you know, I jumped down to try to save you. Okay, but yeah, sure, that's embarrassing indeed. I jumped down from the sail to try to help you kill the trident throwers. But nope, it's embarrassing. Yeah, I'm on my way. Ha. Indeed, trying to help you was embarrassing. That's why I shouldn't help anybody. No.
I got on the boat at least.
Oh!
What?
Get destroyed!
What?
I flew, bounced on the bed, and then bounced up.
What? What?
I flew, landed on the bed, bounced, and then bounced up.
Wow!
Destroyed! Oh!
How the heck did?
Oh!
How the heck did I hit you? I clearly did not aim at your face.
Did you see? Oh, you did not see that. I saw that. Oh! I destroyed. Easy.
Oh. Yeah. The bouncing.
No, I was so
thing.
close to landing on the bed. Did you see that? I was basically right next to it.
Oh, so technically the secret is the bait.
No. Bounce. Bounce. No! No!
But yeah, 10 is too OP.
No. I was so close to bouncing on the bed. I was like on the last bit of sail.
Alright.
But then, I stopped pressing back because I thought I was far enough. Bounce. No! I lag backed!
Oh.
No! I landed on the bed on my screen, bounced, didn't bounce for some reason. Then I found out that I lagged back.
Oh yes.
Bit bounce, no. No. I'll recreate it, okay? I'll bounce on the bed.
Alright then. First you're gonna knock me off, aren't you?
No. See, the thing is, if I'm aiming to bounce on the bed, then I won't hit you.
Right. Because this technically has splash area damage. It can hit anything in its path 2 blocks away from it.
Bet.
Oh, so technically you fly up, hit the bait like a sponge?
Like a trapeze artist.
Oh. Or like slime blocks and then you bounce on the thing.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, so you're aiming at the bait. Why not just
now-
stand beside the bait and shoot the trident right up and then aim at it? In mid-air control.
No. You will take.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you will.
Let me try.
Rest in peace, Kick Inferno.
Right! Why did you take 4 damage? They should...
Because it's not like a bed and there's wood underneath it. Excuse me. Excuse me? Did you see what? Okay, you didn't see what happened. You know what I saw on my screen?
What?
I flew through the sky using the trident, but instead of flying forward, I flew backwards because there was one of them. Is that drowned on the chicken?
I think so.
That's a baby drowned on the chicken.
What?
What the shit? They said it didn't exist, but we just proved them wrong.
Yeah, they...
No, I landed on the bed, but I landed on the edge of the bed. No! That was the perfect setup.
You got it perfect.
Perfect setup, but then I landed on the edge of the bed instead of on the bed itself.
Right. Wow! Wow!
Yeah, that one I wasn't aiming for the bed, don't worry. I didn't fail.
Wow!
I got tired of trying, so I was just like, okay, that's it, you're dead. Oh, my bodyguards are dealing with you.
get
40 cuts of you, leave you.
I just gotta aim for the body and I will make it! Oh! Oh my god! That trident deals a lot of damage.
Guess what? That's why it's like being on the receiving end.
That made that trident too powerful.
No! So close to the pit.
Oh no.
Ah! Bounce, bounce. I took 2 hearts of damage. I took 2 more hearts of damage. Dude, I made it. No, you know what happened? I landed on the bed. Landed on the bed. I took 8 hearts of damage. Flew upwards, regenerated half a heart, landed on the top of the mess, and took
2 hearts of damage.
yeah 8 hearts and 2 hearts, but I regenerated half a heart in between them, and then I survived by the skin of my teeth.
Yeah, that's so lucky.
It's skill, man. All plan. Trust me, all plan. Believe me.
Whoa!
So
That
close.
was we are playing tridents all day.
Aim for the bed. You need to do the bed one.
Oh, I don't think I can do it with this trident, can I?
Which one? Is it the number 5 trident?
Yeah, rose trident.
Crescent Rose.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, in the show, Crescent Rose isn't actually a trident. It's supposed to be a scythe.
Oh.
But there's no scythes. And also, I'm pretty sure scythes aren't gonna be able to do that spinning thing if they ever edit Minecraft. So I just make do with trident.
I did not hit you. I did not hit.
No man, I turned on my anti knockback. I turned on my hack.
Really?
No I didn't. Hi, I'm lagging. You're floating in the air on my screen.
Oh.
Yeah, you're floating like right here. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you're lagging as well. But we're flying right here where I'm punching. Like literally 1 block in front of me.
Okay. I'm getting away from the punch.
Where are you? No, actually, where actually are you?
See this punch?
No,
Yeah, I'm there.
Oh. I didn't feel. Oh, it's just lag. It's just lag. Of course, my shitty computer. All right, kill me, rounds.
I pushed you in.
No, I jumped off.
Nah, technically I accidentally pushed you in.
No, I jumped off, man. What do you mean? To infinity and beyond. Hi.
Hi.
Lag back, really.
Did you just knock me off?
Yeah, I knocked you off with a hit.
I am going to not die.
Bounce on the bit.
Did you just hit it again?
What?
Oh, you did.
Bounce on the bit. Oh. Can you not be a dick? Can you not knock me off?
Oh yes.
5 stars.
Yeah.
I give that.
That's a 7-star.
No, I give it a 7 out of 10. You know, you lack star points because you actually took damage, and so you didn't bounce on the bed.
Right.
Yeah, if you bounce on the bed, that's more star points. If you didn't take any damage, that's like health points. So that's like actually no, that's a 6.
I technically take a lot of damage.
Yeah, that's why it's a 6.
I gotta keep hitting the chicken. Time to
What?
hit the chicken right now.
Why do you wanna hit the chicken? What has the chicken ever done to you? you want fried chicken or something? Well, go get your fried chicken. Go get your fried chicken.
There we go. No, it's not fried though.
Scam.
You like?
I did. Haha.
Whoa!
Yeah, fall for my nefarious scheme.
Oh Oh. Oh.
Hi.
Oh.
Okay, I'm starting to lag. I'm gonna go back onto the boat.
I'm
And then,
also lagging.
and then I'm gonna log off.